Show you how to play God Bless the USA, as sung by Greenwood. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. You're in the key of F, and you start at a bass note with an F, C, open fifth, and it's going to a B flat triad, B flat, D, F. Now B flat chord is black, white, white, major chord. Then it just does it again. And then 1, 3, 5 on B flat. And the right hand, you're going to be up a couple of octaves up there. You're up this octave. Play the C and F together. So then you go to the G, A, F. Then do it again, but have a pickup. C, D. So a little two-note pickup. C, D, C, and F. So it'll sound like this. And then we're into the melody. So here's the melody. Now he varies it a little bit on the second verse, but we'll get into that when we come to it. So here's the melody: A, B flat, C, 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 F, C, B flat, B flat, A, B flat, G, A, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, G, G, A, B flat, A, G, F, G, F, C, 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 A, B flat, C, 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 D, A, G, A, B flat, 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 A, D, 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 C, D. And then the chorus, let's see. G, 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 C, 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 E, D, F, E, F, F, D, C, C, G, 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 C, C, E, G, E, F, F, D, C, 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 D, E, F, A, G, F, F, C, C, D, B, C, B flat, C, G, A, B flat, B flat, D, B flat, C, F, F, C, D, F, 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 F. And I play a full chord there to A, C, F with the F on top. Then we have a little interlude before the second verse. So let's get the bass, and then we're in there. So F. So we'll just go with an open fifth F, up to the C, to the B flat, and just put the D in there. Then we're going down to an E flat. And I'll do open fifth here. E flat, B flat, and then we're into a G minor sound. So we got the B flat on the G, and we end up with C. So our basic progression is going to be F, B flat, E flat, G minor, C. Then we do it again. Only this time we go F, C, then A minor, C and E. I play the full chord, the A, then the C and the E, then G, B flat and D, then D, da da da, D. And when we get that little end of the you can't take that away, go to a B flat right there. So now I'll go slowly so that you can see it. We start off with here's the E flat, G, C, G, F, C, chorus. Now for the chorus, you're going to have C, G, C. So that whole lick is just the C arpeggios. G, G, C, C, E, E, G. It's all a C arpeggio, and in the left hand you'll just have C, G, C. Then go to the B flat. And back to the F. So we'll go B flat, D, F, C. And then the second time he sings that line, just hit a bass E right there. His bass player just plays an E and then goes to a D. So now here, that line's one of the nicest lines in the whole piece, in the whole song. So you got F, A, B flat, C, D, F, G, A. So right there we're going to kind of go up by tenths, which is actually thirds. So you're going to go, but we'll be an octave apart. So we'll go. So see, you've got the A and C, B flat and D, C and E, and then you go jump down to this F, G, A. That's that little lick that you hear on the bass that sounds cool. So we'll get. I'll go slowly here so you can see it. And there are two notes on that A. And then the A and the G come together. So you're basically getting a seventh sound. You're going to do A to B flat, back to A to G, A, B flat, C, F, and then we're into that interlude. And you just kind of hold that back a little bit. First time he just sings God bless the USA, and then I have an interlude that comes in with, so you just take that F and go F, E, D, playing B flat triad, B flat, D, F, arpeggio, and then go up an octave and quickly here. So I go right up the scale, D, E, F, G, F and A, E and G, D and F in thirds. And what you'll play there in the left hand is F, C, then back to the B flat. So let me play that interlude for you so that you can hear it in context. Come all the way back down here to start the melody again. Now the melody is going to be from the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea. So all you're going to do with the bass, you're just going to get out of the way with it. We'll just stay on that F. And we go to a G, down to an E flat, back to the F, up to an A, and just kind of hold that back and lays it down as you come down. And crush the A, D, C right there. G on that part, and then D. You just hold that D and then go to a B flat. And then we go into the chorus, and you want to play it with a little more fervor. And what I want want you to think there, as you're bringing it up, you want to kind of sound triumphant as you get up to that G. So you're kind of raising it up right there. They put in backup singers right there. Now the backup singers actually only sing right here. But I think it sounds better on the keyboard to just go up an octave. Then come back down. And you go right up that B flat, C, D, to the B flat. Play the tag chorus and just a little bit more fervor there. Maybe slow it down just a tad. Still have those backup singers, and then for the last thing we're going to come right straight up by tenths. And we're going to end with an F chord, F and C in the left hand, A and A, C, F in the right hand. Now those tenths will be. But we're going to be an octave apart. See, when you got thirds and you put them an octave apart, it sounds pretty good. Real rich. And you can hold that last chord for a while. There you have it. Lee Greenwood, great song. We've all enjoyed listening to it. God bless the USA. I hope you enjoy it.